There's people in here.
Yo, we're friendly if you are. We won't try if you don't try us.
Nah, I'd win.
Yep. We'd be smart to just go our separate ways.
True. They probably just want to get into the locked room here.
Is that the surveillance store?
Nah. I don't think so.
Yeah, hey, we're peacing out. You guys, good looting.
If they
Let's
shoot us,
leave
they're
this way, trust me.
communists. Yeah.
Yo, yo, yo.
Ooh, that's not friendly, dog. You're spamming nades. Fuck off. I hear noise. Oh. Damn, dog, if you're gonna PvP, at least not
I'm
be
popped.
shit.
Gonna need help over here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Nade.
Back to the lobby, trash can. Another one down.
There's someone like right out here.
Damn, y'all suck. Huck, puh.